King, 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 king. Ay, agoy, agoy, agoy. Okay, okay, you don't like this one. Okay, okay, we'll remove it. You just drink milk. You want to drink another milk? Oh no. Oh no. We need to find your sake. Need to find your sake, baby girl. Every time you open your eyes, it's like milk. We're gonna text Daddy to bring your sake here. You're still milk drunk. Hey, bless you. Bless you, baby. I know I push your booger. I push your booger inside. What's that? What is that? Baby. Bella. Bella. Are you milk drunk? Bella. Ah, baby girl. Isabella. Isabella Grace. Isabella Grace. Hey. What? Hello. Oh, you just have your milk. You just have your milk.